Greetings, and welcome back to my channel where every day there's a new reading from the Jamaican New Testament. So let me ask you something. You think, say, you do everything well right? You look down upon the people them when no good like you? Think about it. And while you think about it, if you want more people fear God to talk to them in the Jamaican language, then click the like button, drop one comment below, and share this video with everybody where you know. And if you don't do it yet, now the best time to click the subscribe button and the notification bell too. To make sure so you don't miss none of what I go on right here. So 5 o'clock Jamaica time every morning.
A God Word This, a daily reading from the Jamaican New Testament by Ethnodoxologist Joanne Richards Goffe.
Today, I'm going to read from the good news about Jesus as come to Luke chapter 18 from verse 9 to verse 14. Jesus tell them that story to the one them feel say them are do right and I look down on everybody else. 2 men go to God's house to go pray. One of them I did one Pharisee and the other one I did one tax collector. The Pharisee turn up and pray about himself. Say, God, me thank you that me not turn like other people with thief, broke the law, sleep with people they not married to, or even like the tax collector there. Me fast 2 times for the week, and everything when me get, me share it up in a 10 and give 1. But the tax collector turn far. Him wouldn't even look up at heaven. Him beat him chest and he say, God, take pity upon me, one sinner. Me I tell you no, that man ya, not the Pharisee, but the tax collector. Him a go in yard and everything right between him and God. Anybody we put themselves over other people, I go get put on. And them we humble themselves, we get lift up. Aye. A God word this. Thank God.
Want more info? Check the description box. Little more.